guys, we're heading to Sharjah Airport. Landed to Georgia. Weather here is cold. It's a clean city and strict rules. From here we move to minibus. He's running for the window seat. Here goes our luggage. Yeah, it's comfortable. This is our guide.
We're going to Gudauri first. Gudauri is something, it takes 3 hours approximately.
3 hours from Tbilisi Airport to Gudari.
To stop at some kind of market, you can have some drinks or snacks or something, and then we will go. Let's close here some kind of place. There we will stop at first. Maybe some 20 minutes of break we will have, and then going to Gudauri.
Right now, we have come here for snacks. Their famous food here is kasha puri. For translation, I'm using Google Lens. This makes it easier to understand. I ordered chicken barbecue sandwich from Subway. The food eaten here is mostly pork. After 3 hours of journey, we have finally reached to our hotel. I didn't expect this much cold.
Iha, this is your balloon.
Hey, so the lobby's good. Heading towards our room. I will show you my room. Room is warm and cozy. We have kettle for coffee. A clean washroom with heater. Room is great, it's no doubt. Let's check out the view. Yeah, lovely. What do we have here? Salads. Chicken and pork salami. Sausages. Fried eggs. Veg rice. Kashapuri. A good dining space. Dogs here are puffy and healthier.
Yeah.
Then we headed to Friendship Monument of Russia and Georgia. As you can see, there is no snow during the start of December. This is the monument. You will find these puppies always over here. See how cute they are? You can check drone video in my shorts of this monument. Then we went for paragliding.
I'm going that side.
So my brother's going first.
Raz, all the best.
Here he goes. That's my turn. Best if you wear goggles because it's windy when you paraglide. They give you GoPro for capturing yourself, and then they post it on YouTube on Excudori channel. we go. People who have fear should try this. After paragliding, we just got some news that one of the peaks is completely covered in snow. We will now be switching to the Jeep. We hopped into the Jeep towards the peak of the mountain. We got only 15 to 20 minutes due to many people waiting for their turn. The ride was adventurous. Look how steep it is. We can see the remaining forms of snow. We almost reached our destination.
Yes.
Air here is fresh and cold.
Go. Go small like this. Man.
Papa, look. 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 Papa. No.
Come, Ras. Ras, can you come? Yeah, come.
Okay, okay, 1 minute.
Like this, see?
I know.
See, fast.
You have to dig inside.
Come.
Now we are descending the mountain. We are switching to other car called 4x4 Delika.
სულ ჯამში მყავს 15 ბავშვებით.
into Drageti Trinity Church. Let's see what is up there. It looks easy to walk, but it's way steepier. Too windy. They left me behind. It's kind of Assassin's Creed vibe. We're going to enter the church. Make sure men remove their caps and women dress modestly. There are many spots to click some pictures. After covering all destinations, we were set to go back to Tbilisi. Again, it would take 3 hours approximately. We arrived directly at our hotel room.
Hey.
Done for the day. See you in the next video, part 2. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe.